In this video lesson, you'll discover how to paint in watercolor using the retouching technique.
In order to demonstrate the retouching painting technique, I will create another artwork of an apple. To begin with, I will make a quick sketch in graphite pencil on watercolor paper. For the retouching technique, I will use a small, round brush from Escoda. This natural hair Kolinsky sable brush is quite springy and holds its tip very well. I will start painting with light colors and later on I will continue to darker tones. Retouching is always applied on the dried paper surface. This technique is done with very small brush strokes or even separate tiny dots which are applied with a small, very pointy brush tip. Because retouching brush strokes are so small, the paper tooth plays an important role here. Now, I have to say a few words about the wetness of the brush and how much pigment should be loaded onto it. Unlike for the dry brush technique, a bit more water can be used for mixing pigments on the palette. The beauty of this painting technique is that separate tiny marks on paper are made. When retouching, it is possible to achieve light tints in two ways. Firstly, the pigment can be diluted with water even more. A second way is by leaving unpainted white paper between brush strokes. Darker tonal values of the same color can be achieved by hatching brush strokes in multiple layers.